In this quick video, I am going to show you how to put alternate attire on any superstar in WWE 2K25. So suppose if I want to have alternate attire for my John Cena, you can see this is the John Cena. I want to have an alternate attire on him. To do that, we need to go back from here and then go to the online tab. Under it, go to community creations. From here, now select downloads from here. Then we need to select superstar, and under it you can see the John Cena here, but I want to have different one. For that we need to search for it from here, and then we need to go to the hashtags here. Now select superstar and select the superstar whose alternate attire you want. I want John Cena, so that's why I need to filter it by J, and John Cena will be here. Let me just select it and then go to bottom and search for it. Then it will show you all of the John Cenas uploaded by community creators. As you can see, I have got multiple Cenas here. Let's say I want to have this Cena, so I just need to select it. I want to have this Las Vegas John Cena attire. For that I just need to open it, and now to download it we need to select download from here. Now when you download someone, if the creator has used a specific superstar as a base, like John Cena for example, instead of downloading a new superstar, you are basically downloading their custom attire just like this. And now we just need to go back from here, then go to the creations tab. Under it select superstar, and now if I select John Cena from here, so firstly I need to find him here. So this is the John Cena. I need to select it, and when I select it you can see I have got two options here. First one is John Cena, which is by default, and the second one I got the attire which I downloaded here. You can also filter it here by using the RB keys on your Xbox controller, and you can see the John Cena is here as well, which will be in the alternate attire section. So I just want to select John Cena from here. Additionally, if you want to edit your attire, then you can select it from here. Once you select it, then go to the attire option from these options from the left menu. I just need to select attire from here, and then it will show you the attire. In case you want to edit it, then select the attire and then go to the edit attire section, and then you will be able to edit everything related to your attire. By the way, if you want to have different attire for your John Cena, let's say if I want to have Roman Reigns attire for my this Cena, then to do that we just need to go to the different attire slot just like this, and now select the attire in case any attire is here, and then delete that attire just like this. And now we just need to again go to the second slot. This time we need to select import attire option, and now it will show you all of the superstars you have in your game. I want to have Roman Reigns attire. You can select any superstar from here. I want to have Roman Reigns, so I need to select it from here, and then it will give you multiple roster attire. So you can see multiple attires are here for Roman Reigns. I just want to select an in-ring attire of Roman Reigns just like this, and now press 5 key to select all from here just like this. And now you can see my John Cena is in Roman Reigns attire. You can also choose Roman Reigns entrance attire in case you want to have entrance attire, and now we need to accept it. And now I have added the Roman Reigns attire in my ring attire option. You can also add an entrance attire by following the similar process. Now to save these changes we need to press the main menu key on our controller just like this, and then we need to accept all these changes, and now save and complete. Now to quickly see it in our play mode, I just need to start a normal one-on-one match here. And now if I select my superstar from here, so my superstar is John Cena, I need to select him. Once you select your superstar, you will get multiple attires option here. So in case you want to have default one, then you can select it. I have got my Las Vegas first version, and the second version is of Roman Reigns. I forgot to rename it, and you can select that attire from here, and you can select your opponent from here. And now once you start your match, now when I start my match, you can see my John Cena has Roman Reigns attire, which I set at the attire screen. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.